In today's video, I will guide you through the process of creating a successful storybook for kids using AI technology that can generate passive income. I came across the idea of creating a storybook while browsing on Amazon for potential passive income ideas. I found out that a simple storybook like this can generate thousands of dollars in revenue. So, I decided to create my own storybook using AI technology. Did you see how much this seller is making in less than 4 months? She has created a story and she is selling it for $16.99, and she has a rating for over 72,000, which means that she has sold at least 100,000 of this bedtime story. The first step in creating a storybook is to come up with a good story idea. I used a chatbot called GPT to generate a title for my storybook. After a few tries, I settled on The Adventures of Tommy and Timmy, The Search for the Lost Treasure. This title sounded exciting and would appeal to kids between the ages of 5 to 8 years old. Once I had a title, I used the chatbot to generate a complete story outline. The story outline included chapters and scenes, and each chapter had a specific theme related to the overall story. This step took only a few minutes, and I had a complete story outline ready to use. Next, I used the chatbot again to generate the actual story content. This step took a bit longer, but I was amazed at how quickly the chatbot generated the story content. I simply copied the first chapter from the story outline and pasted it into the chatbot. Then, I set the prompt to write a rhythmic story, and the chatbot generated the story content for me. I repeated this process for all the chapters, and within a few hours, I had a complete story ready to be converted into a book. Once I had the story content, I used an AI art generator called Midjourney to create high-quality illustrations for my storybook. This step was the most fun, as I was able to generate millions of unique images by typing in a few words to describe the image I wanted to create. Midjourney provided me with different variations of my chosen image, and I was able to choose the best one for my storybook. After generating the images, I used Canva, a free design platform, to combine the story content with the illustrations and create a professional-looking storybook. Canva was easy to use, and it provided me with different templates to choose from. I simply uploaded the AI-generated images, added the story content, and customized the design to my liking. The end result was a beautiful storybook that looked like it was created by a professional designer. Finally, I saved the storybook as a PDF and published it on Amazon using the step-by-step guide provided in the description box. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, allowed me to publish my storybook for free, and it was available for purchase on the Amazon website within a few hours. In conclusion, creating a storybook using AI technology is a fun and rewarding experience. With the help of ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva, I was able to create a professional-looking storybook that can generate passive income. So, if you're interested in creating a storybook of your own, follow the steps outlined in this video, and you'll be on your way to creating a successful storybook that kids will love.